Whether it's a last minute gift idea or you're not sure what to get Dad exactly for Father's Day, or even if you haven't been able to get out to shop, a JB gift card will definitely do the trick. Here's a few things you may not know about JB gift cards. If you buy an e-gift card from jbhifi.com.au, your gift card will be instantly delivered to your inbox, or you can send it straight to Dad's inbox ready to spend on Father's Day. And you can even add your own personalised message. You can choose your own dollar value by typing it in, or select a preset value between $10 and $500. JB gift cards never expire, meaning you can use it now or save your gift cards up for something special without having to worry about an expiry date. If you already have a physical gift card that was purchased in store, you can use it to buy anything on the JB Hi-Fi website. Just choose gift card as your payment option at the checkout and follow the prompts. Whether Dad's into new tech, keeping fit, or loves entertainment, the JB Hi-Fi gift card will make sure he's covered. Check them out online at jbhifi.com.au or contact your local store for more help.